Welcome to my Dombivli food guide. I've been exploring the food scene in Dombivli since 2022, and in my previous video I covered the Khao Gali of Dombivli, but this time I'm sharing a list of 20 restaurants that I've divided into these 4 categories to help you decide which one to visit when. So let's get started. First category is street foods. In this section, I'll share all my favorites where I go for a quick bite. Starting with Hare Krishna Dabeli. This is where I fell in love with Dabeli. It's one of my go-to places and I make sure to visit this whenever I'm in Dombivli. It's next to the station, always packed with people and has one of the best Dabelis in town. Next is Kadam Sandwich Corner, which has the tastiest Bombay sandwich. Another busy spot right in the heart of Dombivli East Market. The street next to Pendarkar College turns into a mini Khao Gali at night, offering some amazing chaats. So if I'm craving some, I would head there. Mumbai and its suburbs have an unsaid rule. Everyone has their favorite vada pav stall. I discovered this one accidentally and quickly became my go-to spot. Neera water is a seasonal thing that you can only spot during summer months. It has a natural sweetness that is super refreshing and energizes your soul. We spotted this one near Pendarkar College, but they are all over the place. My next category is casual dining spots. I generally go here for casual lunches with my family, friends, for a nice wholesome budget-friendly meal. Finding good momos in Dombivli can be difficult, but the Momo Nation has the closest of what I used to get in Delhi. Ras Ranjan in Dombivli West is one of the oldest vegetarian restaurants in town, and they have the best thalis. Vrindavan is a fairly new establishment but has gained popularity because of its beautiful interiors and good food, but the service can be a bit faster, I feel. Dil Se Parivar restaurant on Kalyan Shilfata Road is my go-to restaurant whenever I'm craving authentic North Indian food. The portions are good, the food is delicious and the service is fast. Hotel Suyog on Kalyan Shilfata Road is another North Indian restaurant that you can try, especially if you want to eat the non-vegetarian dishes. Their tandoori tikkas are amazing, have the fluffiest naan and delicious butter chicken. My next category is upscale dining. These are the restaurants where I'll go when I want to celebrate something or if I'm in a mood to try something beyond the usual Indian food. My first recommendation is Modern's China Kitchen. I had no expectation when I was visiting this place, but my mind changed as soon as I stepped inside the restaurant. The interiors were absolutely gorgeous, going well with the theme. The food was very diverse and also tasty. If you're looking for a pan-Asian dining spot in Dombivli, I highly recommend visiting this restaurant. My next recommendation is also on Shilfata Road, an upscale North Indian restaurant that will not only impress you with its amazing interiors but will also get you a nice view while you enjoy their diverse set of menus. My next recommendation is Pop Tates, a retro-themed gastropub that was quite popular in Mumbai and has made its way to Dombivli. This place doesn't need too much introduction, but I can surely say the food was amazing. My next recommendation is Dombivli's first craft beer tap room, where you can go on a tasting flight and try their unique craft beers with their amazing food. And my last recommendation for upscale dining is my all-time favorite Barbecue Nation. I simply love everything about this place and the fact that they give complimentary cake if you're celebrating some special occasion. If you haven't been here, I highly recommend visiting this place, especially with your family, and you guys will have an amazing time. And finally, we have reached our last category, the dessert spots. I visit all these spots every now and then whenever I'm craving something sweet. My first recommendation is Theobroma, located at Garda Circle. This place doesn't need introduction. I'm glad this Mumbai's beloved bakery made its way to Dombivli. This place is known for its decadent cake and brownies. Do try if you haven't already. My second recommendation is Kailash Mandir Lassi and Sweets, located in Dombivli East Market. The lassi here is a must try, freshly made and quite thick. My third recommendation is a legendary ice cream place that started in 1971 in Mumbai and made its way to Dombivli. This is the best place where you can try fruit-based ice creams in Dombivli. My next recommendation is a cake shop located in Dombivli East Market. This pastry shop has one of the most unique cakes I've seen in Dombivli. The quality is amazing and it's also very decadent. My final recommendation is Dwarkadish Food Studio in Garda Circle. Love the Shrikhand, Kaju Katli among many other things that this store has to offer. Finding new food spots and trying new things is a never-ending saga. So keep an eye out for new videos on this page. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next one.